How to clean car battery corrosion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean car battery corrosion. Materials needed: 1. Protective gloves. 2. Safety glasses. 3. Baking soda. 4. Water. 5. Old toothbrush or small wire brush. 6. Clean cloth or rag. 7. Petroleum jelly. 8. Wrench, typically 10 mm. Step 1. Safety first. Put on protective gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from acid and corrosion. Step 2. Turn off the engine. Ensure the car engine is off. It's best to remove the key from the ignition to avoid any accidental starts. Step 3. Locate the battery. Open the car hood and locate the battery. Most car batteries are located in the engine bay, but some can be found in the trunk or under the rear seat. Step 4. Disconnect the battery cables. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal first to prevent any short circuits. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, and carefully remove the cable. Repeat the process for the positive, plus, terminal. Step 5. Prepare the cleaning solution. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a cup of water. Baking soda neutralizes the acid in the corrosion. Step 6. Apply the cleaning solution. Dip an old toothbrush or a small wire brush into the baking soda solution, and scrub the corroded areas of the battery terminals and cable ends. Step 7. Rinse and dry. After scrubbing, rinse the battery and terminals with a small amount of water. Be careful not to use too much water. Use a clean cloth or rag to dry the battery and terminals completely. Step 8. Inspect the battery. Check the battery for any cracks or damage. If you find any, the battery might need to be replaced. Step 9. Apply petroleum jelly. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to the terminals and cable ends. This helps prevent future corrosion. Step 10. Reconnect the battery cables. Reconnect the positive, plus, terminal first, and then the negative terminal. Use the wrench to tighten the nut securely. Step 11. Check the connection. Make sure the battery cables are tightly connected and secure. Step 12. Close the hood. Close the car hood and start your engine to make sure everything is working properly. Conclusion. Regularly check your battery terminals for corrosion and clean them as needed to maintain good battery health. If the corrosion is severe, or the battery is old, consider getting the battery tested or replaced.